Hello everyone, welcome to this month's edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name's John McNamara and we're standing on the platform here in Greenville, South Carolina of the Amtrak that services this station. This month's newsletter we have 4 interesting topics that will be very beneficial to you. One is working in retirement and how it affects your railroad retirement annuity benefits. Another is borrowing from your railroad retirement. And a third is do-it-yourself investing and the consequences thereof. And finally, we cover the topic of taxes and the impact of that on your railroad retirement. Also, at the end of the newsletter, please download the 2019 Important Financial Numbers. It really has a lot of good information that would be very useful during tax season. So I hope you enjoyed this month's newsletter. And if you have any issues with railroad retirement, please give me a call, schedule a free consultation. I'm here to help you. Stay safe, stay on track, and see you next month.